having good quality audio for your ScreenFlow project is just as important as having good quality video. When you listen to a recording, whether it's on YouTube or maybe Udemy or some kind of training video, and the audio is bad, you just don't even want to go through it. So it's very important that you get a good sound. The most important thing you can do is to use a real microphone. So do not use the built-in microphone on your computer. That's simply not going to cut it, nor is a cheap headset mic going to cut it either. You need to get a real microphone, preferably a USB microphone that you can just plug directly into your computer. For example, what you're listening to now is my microphone, which is a Rode NT USB microphone. It's kind of on the expensive side at $169 US. I think it sounds great, but you definitely don't need to spend this much. And in the next lecture, I'm going to give you some more recommendations on some great sounding but less expensive microphones. But the main thing is you need to use a real microphone. How do you know you've got proper sound levels? Well, take a look at this audio track down here. You'll see the green, which represents the sound waves, and you can see that it goes all the way to the top of the track and all the way to the bottom of the track. And the tops and bottoms are tipped in red. This tells you that there is audio clipping. In other words, that there is distortion because the sound wave is just simply too loud. So this tells you that you're definitely recording at a level that's too high. So how do you adjust this? Well, a couple things. If your microphone has an output adjustment, you can adjust your microphone. But if not, you can simply go to System Preferences, click on Sound, and then right here at the top, you want to make sure you select Input, and then select your microphone that you're going to be using. And you can see this slider. You can just adjust the input volume up or down. If you see this input level consistently going all the way to the right, all the way to the top, that means you're clipping and probably distorting, so you need to scroll this indicator more towards the left. So that is how to adjust the input volume. Now suppose that you've already recorded the clip, the video and the audio, and for some reason you can't redo it, or redoing the audio is not practical. Is there anything we can do to the clip itself? Yes, we can adjust the volume of the clip. Simply go to the top, and this time we are going to click on the audio menu, which is the second from the left. It's the speaker. Click on it, and I've got this clip active, so I can simply take this volume and bring it down. And I'm going to bring it down to a level that kind of looks sort of like that. This is not perfect. It is far better to get the input volume correct while recording, but if you have no other choice, you can adjust the input volume right here by using that volume slider. And that is Audio Basics. Make sure you give your audio the attention it deserves.